Good morning and welcome. This is your daily outlook for the 4th of September 2014. The euro rose 0.13% against the US dollar and closed at 1.3151, following a report about a possible ceasefire agreement between Russia and Ukraine. The service sector in Germany, Eurozone's biggest economy, further worsened, falling to 54.9 in August. The services PMI in the Eurozone dropped to 53.1 in August, down from a reading of 53.5 in July. In the US, the new orders for factory goods jumped in July, pointing further signs of strength in the manufacturing sector. The factory orders rose 10.5% in July, marking its biggest one-month increase since 1992, following a 1.5% increase in the previous month. Separately, the Fed in its Beige Book survey indicated that the US economy continued to expand at a moderate to modest pace over the summer, as all 12 Federal Reserve regions continued to expand. The pair is expected to find support at 1.3126, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.3104. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.3165, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.3182. Trading trends in the euro today would be determined by the much crucial interest rate decision by the ECB, scheduled later today. Meanwhile, investors would also keep a close eye on the German factory orders, French unemployment rate and initial jobless claims data from the US, set for release in a few hours. The British pound traded a tad lower against the US dollar and closed at 1.6463. The service sector activity in the UK expanded at its fastest pace in 10 months in August, pointing to a continued strong recovery in the sector. The services PMI in the nation jumped to 60.5 in August, from a reading of 59.1 registered in the previous month. Markets had expected the index to decline to 58.5. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6432, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.6406. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.6491, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6524. Trading trends in the pound today are expected to be determined by the Bank of England crucial interest rate decision, scheduled later today. The US dollar weakened 0.27% against the Japanese yen and closed at 104.84. This morning, the Bank of Japan kept its upbeat view about the nation's economy, though it admitted that the effects of the April sales tax hike still prevails. The pair is expected to find support at 104.63, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 104.39. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 105.23, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 105.58. Going forward, investors would keep an eye on the Bank of Japan's monthly survey as well as the leading economic and coincident indices data scheduled to release tomorrow. The US dollar declined 0.16% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9176. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9167, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9157. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.9195, and a rise-through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9213. Amid lack of economic releases from Switzerland today, market participants will await second quarter Swiss industrial production slated to release tomorrow. That was our last currency pair for the day. Don't forget to check out our CommexFX affiliate program. We offer one of the most attractive and profitable IB packages in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a nice and profitable day.